All right, y'all, so this is a question out of 3.2. This is question number 1. And the student was working on this problem, and they got the first part right. So we want to see if we can find the limit. Okay, so I'm going to look at this expression right here. I'm just going to write it over here where I got a little bit of room. 6 over x minus 6 over 3, okay, all over x minus 3. Okay, so first I'm actually going to do is I'm going to write this as 6 over x minus 6 divided by 3 is just 2. So let's think about that as 2 over 1. All over x minus 3. Now we know we can't just plug in 3 because that will make us be dividing by 0 down here. We obviously don't want to do that. So what we're going to do instead, y'all, let me just clean this up, is let's get these two guys together. And we're going to do that by combining those complex fractions. So I need to multiply this one by x. I need to multiply that one by x. So we have a 6 minus 2x all over x divided by an x minus 3. Okay. And remember, I can write this as 6 minus 2x over x times, since we were dividing by x minus 3, we can write this as 1 over x minus 3. Okay. I'm going to just copy this on the next slide because I am running out of room here. So 6 minus 2x all over x times 1 over x minus 3. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite the top. I'm going to write it as a negative 2x plus 6 all over x times 1 over x minus 3. And I'm going to factor a negative 2 out of here. That leaves me with an x minus 3 in here, and an x here, and a 1 over x minus 3 over here. So it looks like this piece here and that piece there are going to cancel. So we're left with a negative 2 over an x, okay? And now we're still taking the limit as x approaches 3 of negative 2 over x, and that's going to leave me with a negative 2/3, right? Oops. So right here, y'all, this is going to give me a negative 2/3. Okay, now that we did that part, there is a third part to the question, and it says, can we find the equation of the tangent line? So we can find the equation of the tangent line. First thing we're going to do, y'all, is we need to find f of 3. So f of 3 means come back over here, and everywhere you got an x, plug in a 3. That's going to give me a 2. So the point that I'm using is the point 3, 2. Okay? So the point we have is the point 3, 2. Our m, which was our limit that we just found right now, was a negative 2/3. Okay? And so now all I'm going to do is just plug my numbers in and find the equation of my tangent line. Okay? So y minus, remember that's my x1 and that's my y1. So y minus 2 equals m, which was a negative 2/3 x minus 3. All right, let's see, that's a negative 2/3 x. Negative negative is positive, but this 3 and that 3 will cancel. It's a positive 2. So when I add this 2 to both sides, I'm getting y equals negative 2/3 x plus 4, and that